Downward dog, also known as downward facing dog or just down dog, is an inversion asana often practiced as part of a flowing sequence of yoga poses. The benefits of this pose are multiple as it stretches the lower back, the upper body, stimulates blood flow, and improves posture. In this super short yoga tutorial, we will go over how to properly hold down dog at the same time that I will offer modifications to make it harder. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Find yourself on 4 points, tabletop, aligning your shoulders to your wrist and your hips to your knees. Take a couple of steps forward with your hands, bringing the hands in front of the shoulders, engage your toes, and bring the hips all the way up. Press the heels down onto the ground at the same time that you relax your head and you press the chest back towards your thighs without moving your hands and feet. Avoid collapsing the back by bringing the shoulders away from the ears, expanding your shoulder blades, and find an external rotation in the shoulders. Now let's talk about the size of your dog. Many times your dog is too short, meaning the hands and feet are too close to each other. And this is evident when you come down into plank and your shoulders are in front of your wrists. Other times your dog is too long, meaning the distance between your hands and feet is too long, and you can see this because when coming down into plank, your shoulders are now behind the wrists. So how do we correct this? We come down into plank, aligning your shoulders to your wrists, ball of your feet on the ground, lifting up the hips and pressing the heels down onto the mat. Once you find your perfect dog, you may relax your head and gently move your head side to side, relaxing the neck. You may also give your hips a good stretch while in down dog by raising the right leg up to the sky and bending the knee, pointing the knee up, and the tip of your nose points back to your left knee. Bring the right leg down, and now extending the left leg up, bending the knee, pressing the chest back towards your right thigh, extending your leg and bring it down onto the mat. Remember that as you keep practicing this pose, your heels will come closer and closer onto the ground. So that was downward facing dog, also known as down dog. Remember that practice makes perfect, so keep on practicing. From my heart to yours, Namaste.